Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to teach you how you can change the size or decrease the size of your tables in your documents on Google Docs. So let us get started right away. So head over to a document on Google Docs and let me, for example, change the size of that table here. So what you want to do in the first step, guys, is click on either the lower edge or lower border or bottom border of the table or on the border here to the right. It's up to you. So let us start with the table height. So what you want to do is click on that edge and simply drag it here to the top to change the table's height. And what you want to do next, guys, is click into one of these cells with your right mouse and select distribute rows from that menu below, and do the same with the table's width by clicking on the edge here to the right, by dragging here to the left, by clicking into one of these cells here with your right mouse, and by selecting distribute columns. And there you go. As you can see, that table size has been significantly and visibly decreased, and you may continue doing that, guys. Again, click on that edge here, click into one of these cells with your right mouse, select distribute rows, and so on and so forth, guys. So super simple. That's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.